Today we are going to unbox and do a quick audio test of the Rode Wireless Go 2 set. The Wireless Go 2 is a compact dual-channel wireless microphone system. I got the dual kit, which includes 2 transmitters and the dual-channel receiver. I love how versatile this kit is and that you can customize it with different accessories depending on your need. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. So you get everything nice and sleeved up. Alright, when you unbox the kit, you get this pouch that has 3 USB charge cables and your 1/8 inch cable. You get this nice case that you can hold all the microphones in, and of course you get microphones and a couple little fluffy windscreens for putting on them. The kit comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, and I got the option where you just use the mics that are built into the transmitters themselves. But you also have the option of buying one of Rode's lavaliers that can plug into the transmitter, which will give you better audio quality. You can also purchase different output cables for the set, so I already have the version that uses TRRS for a phone. Or you can also buy a direct digital cable that uses USB-C to Lightning or USB-C to USB-C so that you can plug it straight into your phone or your iPad or whatever device you have. And it's important to note that these USB cables are different than the USB-C to Lightning charger that Apple sells. So here's the windscreens that go on top of the mic. Let's see what all we get in this bag. There's our charger cables, and a nice little flat version of Rode's 1/8 inch to 1/8 inch for connecting it to your camera, and a quick start guide. So the Wireless 2 Go set does not come charged, so you'll need to plug them in and charge them using USB-C before you're able to use the set. And once it's charged, you can press the button and you hold it for 3 seconds, and then you get this nice boot screen, and it gives you a variety of stats about the receiver. And then on your transmitter, you hold the button for 3 seconds and it starts to blink. Here you can see mic number 2 is on and we are getting sound from it. You can change various settings using these buttons to change the amount of gain and output that's coming out from the receiver. So there's a lot of cool features with these mics, like a built-in recording on the receiver and the ability to also tweak it where it can use one track as a safety track, which records your audio at -20 decibels just in case you have any clipping on your main channel. Let's do a quick audio test with this mic now. Check 1 2, check check. This is with the level at 0. I am just holding the wireless mic right up to me. Check 1 2, check check. This is using the built-in mic on the Rode Wireless Go 2. Check, check, check. Check, 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 check. Check 1 2, check. For this test, I'm using my Sennheiser ME2 mic plugged straight into the Rode transmitter. So this is with a actual lavalier mic and not with the built-in mic. Check 1 2. I'm really excited to have this set and to be able to use this mic on some upcoming projects. The simplicity and the ease of use should make shooting content just a little bit easier. Overall, you get a lot of great value for the money having 2 separate transmitters and 1 receiver. The built-in audio recording is awesome. The safety channel feature is great too. A couple of things that I also really like are these charger cables, how flat they are and small. They won't take up too much space in the bag. The included cable is nice and low profile as well. Personally, I kind of prefer their older style springier cables that are a little bit longer too. I think you can do a little bit more with them, but I'm sure they had a reason to include the flat one instead. And the little case is nice as well, just a way to keep everything organized and compact. I do think it would have been cool if they included the iOS cable or a USB-C to USB-C cable for using an Android device or an iPad Pro or something like that for recording, but it's nice that you can go out and buy whatever cables that you need to make the set work for you. You can always buy this little adapter that converts the TRS into TRRS, or Rode also has their own little springy cable with the gray end that is for a smartphone if you have the correct adapter, or just buy whatever their cable is so that you can run it straight in digital. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.